Good medical morning. This is Watson of World's Greatest Medical with a special announcement on behalf of the Rise Up Society. Seen here, the Rise Up Society is a group that focuses on treating victims of tungiasis. Tungiasis happens when parasitic sand fleas burrow into the skin and lay eggs, and it's a real plague in Kenya. That said, I get the pleasure of announcing that the Rise Up Society is now available on Roku. That means free videos from the Rise Up Society on your TV or tablet. We'll put a link below so that you can add the channel to your Roku. So to reiterate, the sand flea larvae, also known as jiggers, are dug out by the jigger digging experts at the Rise Up Society, and they're putting their videos on Roku for free to help spread the word to the world about the infestation of parasites that is plaguing Central Africa. And you can help just by watching these videos. There's a link below. Just add the videos to your Roku device today. Hey everybody, I'd like you to check out our salon quality blackhead mask. It's designed with your sensitive skin in mind. Mr. Blackhead's Bio Aqua mask is made to hit that sensitive T-zone, unclog your pores, and make your skin feel young again. We'll leave a link in the description below, or check out our shortcut for Amazon at m7amazon.com. You're going to absolutely love it.